Today, I'll show you how to create a whirlpool spin transition to add a dynamic spinning effect between two clips. Let's get started. First, import two videos into your timeline and place them side by side. The transition will happen between these clips. Now, click on the Transitions panel where the two clips meet. In the search bar, type Whirlpool. This effect creates a spinning vortex transition that looks super cool. Once you find it, drag and drop the whirlpool transition between your two clips. Want to adjust the speed? Simply use the duration slider on the right side editing panel or drag the transition in the timeline to make it last longer or shorter. And that's it. You now have a smooth spinning whirlpool transition that makes your video look engaging and cinematic. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut editing tricks. See you in the next one.